Today here in AUTOMEX, we can see the focus towards automation and of course the AI capabilities and even all the solution providers where we get to meet also our competitors and of course our partners all together under one roof.
I think the system is very good because we got potential customer a lot of in semiconductor. Also, we communicated with a lot of partners here.
I can see the cloud is a quality cloud. So many discussions ongoing. At least we know the future market trend. We also learned that the market is start to picking up. So it's actually a good sign to learn from this AUTOMEX event.
AUTOMEX is considered as one stop for automation because it has very big variant of demos. So the variant of the products over here are a lot and it's very good exposure to anyone.
Nowadays, we are changing to more to AI by attending this type of exhibition so that we can find all the suppliers, their site is here. So it's more convenience to be exhibition like this.
I think it's quite a good exposure for us because as you can see that things are getting more and more advanced. We don't know how the product goes, so you can come here and get a good exposure for the new products or even the existing products, see whether they got any upgrades or not.
So with the presence of this event and with the presence of all our participants, so we can really make it fruitful results to all the industries.
Bigger, bolder, better. See you next year!